Okay, so let's try to understand what is Java main method. In a Java program, the main method is a method where the execution starts, or it is the entry point of a Java program. Hence, it is one of the most important methods of Java. The Java compiler or Java virtual machine looks for the main method when it starts executing a Java program. Now let's have an example of main method in a Java program. Okay. So the next one is what is string arguments that always appear on the Java main method. String array is used to declare a simple string array, and argument is the name of the string array. Argument stores command line arguments that are supplied when executing a Java program as an array of string objects. And if we run a program from the command line and supply arguments such as, then argument will contain string 12. Hence, it is necessary parameter for the main function. And these parameters are absolutely necessary in main method in order for it to be treated as entry point of the Java program. Alright. So moving on to the next one, what is a static method? A method which is declared as static can be accessed directly by specifying its name. It can be called without creating an object of class. Whereas, a method declared as public without static can be accessed only by the creation of an object of the class. Static method belongs to the class and not to the object. Our static method doesn't require any object state. So when you do not want to access instance variable, you can call static methods without instantiating the object. Now let's have an example of static method. So in this example, we have a class called test. And the test class, we have two methods. One is static method, another is normal method. Now come to the main method. In the main method, you can see we have called static method without creating object of the class test. But in order to call a normal method, we have created an object of class test and then called a normal method. Alright. So moving on to the next one, what is method overloading? In method overloading, multiple methods can have same name with different parameters. Method overloading can be achieved in two ways, by changing the number of arguments and by changing the data type of arguments. Now let's have an example over here. So in this example, you can see we have two methods with same name, but different type of arguments. Now, the next question is, can we overload the main method? Yes, we can overload the main method. We can have any number of main method. Now the question arises, how does the compiler know which is the entry point into the program if there are multiple main methods? The compiler will check for the parameters, string argument, in the main method and will recognize it as the entry point into the program. JVM always calls the original main method. It doesn't call the overloaded main method. Alright.